Nataon po, dumaan ang LRT dito po sa station ng Santa Mesa pagkalagpas po ng Poresa Station. Line 2 po ito ng LRT from Recto going to SM Masinloc. Andito rin po yung dinadalaw natin police station, Station A. May bago pong Starbucks. Manila Police District Police Station. So dyan po tayo nag-minister to once a month po. And we hope na makabalik tayo po ulit. Maybe this coming month of December. To God be the glory. Salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-join with me sa aking YouTube channel. Ito pa yung YouTube channel. Walang edit, walang intro. But to sing is what to do. God bless! Ito po ang aking lunch. So already 2:30 in the afternoon. After po na makapunta tayo sa PSA. To God be the glory.